We're all living much longer, and this is an absolutely magnificent human achievement, but of course it brings challenges with us. How do we adapt the world for very, very much larger numbers of older people? And because of this, we established the Institute to bring together scientists and clinicians and technologists to really try and improve the health and the well-being of older people. One of the things the Institute has done is to set up a large regional panel of older people. They're volunteers and they want to be involved in these things which are going to impact on their lives. And so we've used a group of members of Voice North to come and give advice and consultation on this particular project.
We were brought in by the Institute of Ageing and Health and Mico Engineering to address a gap in the market. There is a lack of well-designed street furniture that's suitable for the use of older adults. We've found over the years that one of the key things is to ensure that you address the needs of customers and to make sure that you are not just guessing what people need, but you consult and you work with them. I've worked with some consultation groups before. It's a real luxury, and actually I find it very enjoyable to work with end users and to consult the broader community that has an interest.
As a manufacturer, we are consumer driven. We have to manufacture to particular design criteria. This project's been different as we've had a fantastic input from the older person who explained to us exactly what their needs are, where the seating has been designed specifically around them and not to a cost or a design.
When we first started working with the Institute of Ageing and Health and Voice North, they helped us set up a number of consultation meetings where we could bring highly motivated older adults along to feedback on the designs and give us some insight. We found that simple things like the right height of seating, the ability to prop up a walking aid so it doesn't fall on the floor, having warm materials to sit on. It was all to do with satisfying a broad community. It wasn't just the attendees to the consultations. We also met up with the estates department that buy street furniture. We met the people who were going to manufacture the furniture, and they all had views that we could test on each other because we didn't want to compromise. We wanted to make sure that the end users got a design that was fit for purpose.
From a marketing point of view, this product gives us a leading edge over all our competitors, and it gives us the ability to produce something that we know works in the marketplace.
We now have a physical first prototype. This is the first time this design has been turned into a real object. It's been installed, and we've had feedback from the consultation group and from the manufacturer and from the potential buyers, and seen how we've translated the needs of the user group and the broader community into a real design. I would say that to run a really effective design process, you have to be involved with the users and the broader group that will interface with the design.
What is really important is to have co-design that's actually putting the older person as an end user right at the heart of the design process. One of our older people came up with a slogan, "Nothing about us without us," and I think that sums it up.
We've now got a very strong case to market this product because effectively we have generated testimonials as we've gone. People have seen the design, commented on it, and have been involved in the process.
The North East is one of the most rapidly ageing regions of the country. The numbers of those aged over 65 is going to increase by a third in the next 20 years. The number of the oldest old is going to double. There's a huge commercial opportunity to design things that are appropriate to the needs of our older population.
We've achieved this success by listening to the end user, by working in close cooperation with the design and consultant team, and producing a product that the end user really wants.